Affiliate marketing tips that are proven to work. Having a good website is important to your online business. It's not the only thing that you need though. You should try promoting your business by using an affiliate program, too. Not sure where to begin with it? Don't worry, this video has helpful affiliate marketing tips to get you started. Create a short ebook and post it on document sharing sites. By doing this, you can show off your expertise, but you can also attract visitors and prospective buyers who are looking for similar information to your site. Be sure to include a number of links to your site inside the document. In affiliate marketing, you need to express to your readers that they can trust you. Do not post ads that you do not believe in or have any interest in. They will know. If you appear to be a phony condoning something you don't believe in, that will drive away your readers and they won't trust anything you have to say. Gaining trust is an important factor to consider for successful affiliate marketing. One way to foster trust is to show a passion for your product. The more personality and excitement you show, the easier it will be to build a trusted following. Building something of a relationship with your visitors now will only boost your link potential in the future. When you partake in affiliate advertising on your website, it is important that you be transparent about who you are partnering with. When you are honest, your visitors will feel better about contributing to your profit. If you seem like you are hiding something, your visitors may go directly through the vendor, instead of using your link. Yes, a good website is essential to an online business, but as you have read, it needs to promote it vigorously. An easy way to do that is by using an affiliate program. So, what are you waiting for? Use the above tips, and start improving your affiliate marketing plan today. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.